Hello, Helen here again, your wellbeing advisor. So this is our last chakra, our seventh chakra, which is our crown chakra. Now this is located here, the top of our head, and this chakra governs our connection to the universe. It governs our consciousness and our thought, our kind of understanding of life and being able to understand it, and realizations. So it also relates to the experience we have of our mind. Now, our mind processes our thoughts, and that in turn creates our belief systems. And then from these beliefs, we create our own reality. So therefore, this crown chakra has a really big part to play in kind of manifestation. So if you feel like you are struggling with a bit of a lack of purpose, with feeling a bit disconnected from God, from your higher self or the universe, whatever you believe there to be out there, if you feel like you've lost perhaps some of your values or your ethics, because this crown chakra does govern your values and your ethics as well, sometimes that can create an experience of kind of depression or even apathy, just a lack of anything really, then this chakra is a really good one to work on. Now, the colour for this chakra is purple. It's a really lovely purple colour. Again, wear this colour, surround yourself with it, paint your nails purple, do a meditation, breathe it in. Mindfulness is a really good way of working on this chakra, because it governs our thoughts and our consciousness, then becoming just aware of ourselves. So what mindfulness is about is basically just a state of being where instead of living from the future or living from the past, we are just centered in the here and now, in the present, in our true awareness, and experiencing what we are thinking, what we are feeling, what's happening in our body, what's happening around us in our environment. That's the essence of mindfulness. We can help to look at the thoughts, and then when you can experience sort of where your thoughts coming from, what's happening, you can start to see how these create your own reality, and you can make a change to that. So along with mindfulness, meditation is also a really great way, because meditation helps you have a connection to the universe. It helps you to be open to information that may come to you from your higher self. And it's a really powerful tool to work on this chakra. So again, as I keep saying, I'm a meditation teacher. I can help you to learn to meditate if you're a beginner. I can help you with different tools if you've already meditated. The process that I take you through is preparing your mind and your body to be able to have a really effective meditation. You might have your own meditation actual practice, like transcendental meditation, for example, and that's absolutely fine. I wouldn't try and change that. It's just helping you to have a really good meditation. So check me out on the website, see if there's any tools that you can use, if there's any sessions you want to join, and there is a discount for people who are either Dress My Mood or Mood Essential Oil customers. So also, essential oils can really help this chakra, and the ones that are really beneficial for this are lavender, jasmine, bergamot, rosewood. And those are really, really nice, so you can use those. So have fun with your crown chakra. It's a really important one. It's our final chakra. We've worked our way now through all the chakras. You have a bit more information about them all. If you would like any further information, then get in touch with me.